morning students. Today we will discuss the concept as stationary waves. The stationary waves also we are going to call it as standing waves. The stationary or standing both are same. Getting? And before going to start regarding stationary waves or standing waves, till today we have discussed about, or till yesterday we have discussed about another type of the wave, that is called as a progressive wave or a travelling wave, and we have studied about progressive wave and travelling wave both are same. We have studied about what are progressive wave and what is the wave equation for a progressive wave, and how to find out the speed of the progressive wave, and each and everything we have to studied till yesterday. We have studied about a progressive wave or standing wave, and today the another type of the waves, this is different, and this name of this wave is called as a stationary wave or a standing wave. Both are same, and we have to study this stationary wave or standing wave. Before going to study what do you mean by stationary wave or what do you mean by standing wave, let us see the one of the wave I am taking here. Let us take, this is the wave, the first wave I am taking. This is a first wave moving in positive x direction. Moving in positive x direction. Before going to know what do you mean by the definition of stationary wave, you please understand the nature of this stationary wave, then only you are getting about standing wave. Let us take, this is a first wave. This is a first wave. This wave is moving in positive x direction, and the wave can be characterized by two terms. This is crust, trough, and trough. This is the first wave. This is the first wave I am taking. It is moving in positive x direction, and this is crust, and here the displacement of the wave is 0, and here the displacement of wave is, that is maximum, that is y, and here the displacement of the wave again is 0, and here the displacement of the wave is again maximum, that is, and again the displacement of the wave at this point is 0 because this is a 0 point, and again the displacement of the wave at this point is maximum, and the displacement of the wave at this point is 0, again here maximum, again displacement is 0. Just I have considered only one wave, this is moving in positive x direction, and here the amplitude is plus a, and this is a trough, the amplitude is minus a, and here the amplitude is plus a, and here the amplitude is minus a, and I have considered only one wave. This is a progressive wave. Before going to start a stationary wave, let us take example. I have considered one wave. This is a travelling wave or a progressive wave. What is progressive wave? The progressive wave is nothing but this is the wave. It is continuously keep on moving through the medium with constant amplitude and constant velocity or a constant frequency. The wave moving continuously in one direction with constant amplitude and a constant speed, that wave is called as a progressive wave. Let us consider this is first progressive wave or a travelling wave. I have considered or a travelling wave. Progressive wave or travelling wave both are same. And let us consider one more wave. Second wave I am going to consider. And something here somewhat I am changing this wave. This is a first progressive wave moving in positive x direction. I am taking another progressive wave. I am taking another progressive wave, that is second progressive wave or a travelling wave, but that wave is moving opposite to the first wave. Opposite to the first wave. How come that is? Let us take the first wave is moving in this direction, started at this point, and I am considering another wave that is also progressive wave, but that is moving in opposite to the first progressive wave. Let us take, this is the wave, this started at this point, I am taking it as a dotted line. This is another wave, this is another wave, it is moving in this direction. This wave is moving in positive x direction, but this wave is moving in negative x x direction, means opposite to that one. First progressive wave moving in this direction, this is second progressive wave moving in this direction, and here its displacement of the wave at this point is 0 and displacement of the wave at this point is maximum. The amplitude I am indicating it as a plus a. The displacement of the wave at this point is 0. The displacement of the wave at this point is maximum, that is minus a, because it is a trough, and the displacement of the wave at this point is 0, and the displacement of this wave is at this point, that is maximum, amplitude a, and at this point displacement is 0, at this point amplitude is maximum, this is minus a. Like this I am taking, this is second progressive wave traveling, that is exactly opposite to this first progressive wave. I have considered two progressive wave. I have considered two progressive wave or a traveling wave, but condition what I have taken here, the first progressive wave is moving in positive x direction and the second progressive wave is moving exactly opposite to that first progressive wave. This is first condition. Condition number 1. Condition number 1, consider two progressive wave. Consider two progressive wave or a traveling wave. Two progressive waves or traveling waves. Traveling and progressive wave both are same. Traveling waves. This is first condition. And what is the second condition? Condition number 2. Condition number 2. This is first condition. What is second condition? Both the waves, both the traveling waves moving in opposite direction. Both the traveling waves are a progressive wave moving in opposite to each other. Traveling waves are in opposite direction. Opposite direction. As you know very well, the first wave is moving in positive x and the second wave is moving in negative x. And the condition, very important condition, this is a third one. How come? Both the waves are identical. Both the waves are identical. What is the meaning? Both waves are identical. Identical waves. Identical means similar waves. Identical means the similar waves. It means that, what do you mean by identical word? It is indicating the identical in the sense which waves we are going to call it as identical. Let us consider, this is a which wave? This is a progressive wave. This is which wave? This is also progressive wave, but moving in opposite direction. Direction is not a matter. Getting here, yes, actually direction is the matter, but the identical is the word we are taking only on the basis of the property of those two waves that should be similar. Consider first wave, it is a progressive wave, this is also progressive wave. Yes, right? This is a progressive wave, this is also progressive wave. And the speed of this first wave and speed of this second wave exactly same. Speed of first wave, speed of second wave exactly same. And next, wavelength of one wave. That what is wavelength? The length of one wave, that is lambda. Here to here, here to here. Wavelength of one wave, that is lambda, and wavelength of this wave, that is also exactly same. First condition, both the waves should be progressive waves. Second condition, the speed of both the waves is same. Third condition, amplitude of both the waves is same. One more condition, frequency of both the waves is same. ಎರಡು ವೇವ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೇವ್, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೇವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ವೇವ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ವೇವ್. Speed same, speed same. Wavelength of one wave, and here also wavelength of one wave exactly same. Frequency of this wave and frequency of this wave exactly same. Amplitude same, amplitude same, exactly same. ಎರಡು ವೇವ್ದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆರ್ the type of the waves. All are same in the sense those waves we are going to call it as identical waves. ಎರಡು ವೇವ್ದ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ, ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ, ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ, ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ those waves we are going to call it as identical waves. This is progressive wave and this is also progressive wave. Its frequency exactly same. Its wavelength means length of one wave, here also length of one wave exactly same. The speed of this wave in this direction and the speed of this wave in this direction exactly same. Each and every parameter or a quantity belongs to both the waves is exactly same in the sense those waves we are going to call it as identical waves. Getting identical waves. And now you are understanding this is progressive, this is also progressive. Getting this is progressive and this is also progressive. And now come to the point, what do you mean by stationary waves? Let us take the definition. When two identical progressive wave. What is the meaning of identical? Just now I have explained. When two identical traveling wave or a progressive waves or a traveling waves both are same. Don't confuse yourself. The traveling and progressive both are same. When two identical progressive waves are identical in the sense its frequency exactly same, wavelength same, speed same. This is also progressive, this is also progressive, similar kind but opposite direction. Getting? Then those waves we are going to call it as identical waves. Two identical traveling waves moving or propagating, moving through the medium, moving in opposite direction, then the resultant wave pattern is called as stationary waves or standing waves. Stationary waves or standing waves. Stationary waves or standing waves. And here, if you are not understanding the definition still, let us take a traveling wave moving in that direction. This is also a traveling wave moving opposite to that wave. All the parameters or quantities for this wave and this wave exactly same. That's why we are going to call it as identical waves. When two identical traveling waves are moving in opposite direction, two progressive waves moving in opposite direction, when they merged or superposed, then you are observing the different kind of a different shape of the wave. That wave we are going to call it as, that resultant wave pattern is called as a stationary wave. How come? Let us take the first wave. Let's take first wave. Where is the first wave? That is the first wave. Let us take, this is the first wave. This is the first wave I am taking. Which wave it is? This is a progressive wave. Which wave it is? Progressive wave. In which direction it is moving? Plus x direction it is moving. Its amplitude is this is plus a, this is minus a, this is plus a, this is minus a. In plus x direction it is moving. Here this is a first wave, this is a first wave, this is first wave, first traveling wave, and consider second traveling wave. If it is exactly merged, One wave is moving in this direction, one wave is moving in this direction, another wave is coming exactly opposite to that one. One wave is moving in this direction, another wave is moving opposite to that wave. What will happen when those two waves, when two identical traveling waves coming exactly in opposite, what will happen? Both the waves will merge or combine or superpose. You know very well that one. Getting one wave ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಹೊಂಟದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳೊಳಗಡೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಹಂತದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೇವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರತ್ತದ. ಎರಡು ವೇವ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಕಲ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರ ಅದರ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದ್ರ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ, ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್, ಸ್ಪೀಡು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. First traveling wave is moving in positive x direction, second traveling wave moving opposite to first wave, both are merging. What will happen if the first wave and second wave, if they exactly merged or combined or superposed? Then you are observing when those two waves are exactly combined or superposed, then you are observing a different shape of the wave. That different shape of the wave, that what you are getting or observing, that wave is called as a stationary wave. Let us take first traveling wave, and second traveling wave is coming in this direction. Second traveling wave is coming in this direction. Let us take second traveling wave. I am taking it as a dotted line. This is second traveling wave. This is second traveling wave. The second traveling wave is moving in a negative x direction exactly to the first wave. This is second traveling wave. Second traveling wave moving in which direction? Moving in this direction, negative x direction. And for this second wave, amplitude is plus a, here amplitude is minus a. Here amplitude is plus a and here amplitude is minus a. One wave is moving in positive x, another wave is moving in negative x. Both the waves are merged, combined, superposed. Then the wave shape is looking like this. ಎರಡು wave combine ಆದಾಗ wave pattern ಹಿಂಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತಿ, observe ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. When those two waves they have merged exactly, then you are observing the wave pattern as a different, that is looking like this pattern. This wave pattern is called as a stationary wave or standing wave. Stationary is the word or standing is the word when two identical traveling waves they merged with each other. We are feeling as if this wave is in rest. Means stationary means rest. Stationary means rest, or standing also means rest. ಎರಡು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ವೇವ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಎರಡು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ವೇವ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮರ್ಜ್ ಆದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗುವಂತ ಈ ವೇವ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೈತಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. That's why the name after that wave is called as a stationary waves or a standing waves. The meaning of stationary wave is a rest or a standing wave. How come? Once again, let's take the sentence. When two identical traveling waves they have moving in opposite direction, we are observing the different shape of the wave, and that different shape of the wave is, we are feeling as if this wave is not moving, we are feeling as if it is in a rest. ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ, ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ. ಹೌ ಕಮ್? ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೇವ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೇವ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೇವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೇವ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟ್ರಾಪ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೀಜಿಯನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೇವ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೇವ್ ಈ ರೀಜಿಯನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆನ ಅದಾವ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್? ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ವೇವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ವೇವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ವೇವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ and there is no here. Where is the wave pattern? The wave pattern is between this point and this point. And this is a traveling wave. It is not having end. It is keep on traveling. And this is also keep on traveling. There is no end. It is not stopping itself. It is keep on moving. This is also not stopping itself. It is keep on moving. But see here, this is having the end and this is having the end. this wave pattern is trapped or stand in between this point and this point, and we are getting this wave pattern is called as a standing wave or stationary wave. Getting? Traveling wave, but this wave is called as a stationary wave. This wave is called as stationary wave, and here plus A minus A, this is first wave moving in this direction, second wave moving in this direction. Exactly both the wave they have been merged. You are looking, this wave pattern is called as a, getting? This wave pattern is fixed in between this point and this point. This pattern is called as a stationary wave. And here its displacement is equal to 0 now. This is plus A minus A getting cancelled, plus A minus A getting cancelled, plus A minus A getting cancelled, plus A minus A getting cancelled. Let us take here crust of first wave, crust trough, plus A minus A getting cancelled. There is no crust trough. Plus A minus A means crust trough getting cancelled. There is no crust trough. Plus A minus A getting cancelled. Getting? There is no crust trough. And plus A minus A getting cancelled. There is no crust. The displacement of the resultant displacement of this wave is equal to 0. This wave is equal to 0. The waves can be merged like this. And one more condition is there. Let us take the wave can merge like this also. Second one, the wave can merge like this also. This is the first wave. This is the first wave. This is the first wave. Let us take. It is moving in plus x direction. And the second wave. This is first wave. And second wave, it is moving in this direction. The second wave, it is moving in this direction. Let us take, I am taking it as a dotted line. This is second wave. This is moving in negative x direction. If they merged, what will happen? This is also another case. What will happen? Let us take the first wave. Where is the first wave? This is first wave. And where is second wave? Let us take second wave I am taking here. The second wave. This is second wave. Let us take the second wave. This wave I am taking here. This is the second wave. The wave can merge like this also. This is first traveling wave, this is second traveling wave, this is positive x, this is negative x. Means both the waves they are merged. Eradu wave combine agidava. Avaga first wave plus A and second wave that is also minus A. This is also minus A. First wave plus A, second wave also plus A. First wave minus A, second dotted wave is also minus A. First wave plus A, second wave also plus A. And what is the resultant? What is the resultant? Let us take. The resultant is like this. The resultant is like this. The resultant is like this. Plus A plus A plus 2A. Plus 2A. Plus 2A. Minus A minus A minus 2A. Minus 2A. Plus A plus A plus 2A. Minus A minus A minus 2A. And here ಎರಡು ವೇವ ಈ ತರನು ಮರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಬಹುದಾ? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ಹೊಂಟದ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ಹೊಂಟದ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿದಾವ. The crust of the first wave exactly merged with a crust of the second wave, then plus A become plus 2A. Means amplitude energy becomes double. The trough of the first wave and trough of the second wave exactly merged, minus A minus 2A. Andra wave double aata. Plus A crust of first wave, crust of second wave, plus A plus 2A minus minus 2A. Here wave energy becomes a double. But here the wave get cancelled. This is also possibility, that is also possibility. Wave energy double ಆಗಬಹುದಾ, wave energy zero ಆಗಬಹುದಾ. Here displacement is zero, plus a minus a, crust of the first, trough of the second, cancelled, and what is plus a minus a getting zero, displacement is zero. Then crust of the second wave, trough of the first wave, plus a minus a getting zero, crust trough getting cancelled, there is no crust trough, there is no amplitude, zero. Plus a minus a zero, plus a minus a zero, ಎರಡು ವೇವ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದಾವ, ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಝೀರೋ. ಆರ್ ಅನದರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ದ ವೇವ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಮರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟು ಎ minus a minus 2a plus a plus 2a minus a minus 2a. When these two waves they have been exactly merged, then the wave energy becomes double, and here y is equal to plus 2a means the amplitude become twice. The amplitude become twice, and here amplitude becomes zero. We can further study in theory of this one. And here what is happening? For first wave and second wave, the phase difference is equal to 0 degree. Pi is equal to pi 2 minus pi 1. Let us take at this point first wave and this is second wave, and here take the phase difference for first wave. At this point the phase angle for first wave is 0. The phase angle for first wave is 0 or 0 minus phase angle for second wave is also 0 here, 0 here. Then pi is equal to 0. The phase difference between these two waves is 0. For first wave angle is 0. For first wave angle pi by 2 means 90. For first wave here 180. For first wave here 270. For first wave here 260. For second wave 0. For second wave 90. For second wave 180. For second wave 270. For second wave 260. For first wave 0 degree phase angle. For second wave also 0 degree. Then this wave, sorry, and here 180, not a 0 degree, this is 180. Let us take the second wave. I am considering like this. It is not a 0 degree. For second wave 0 degree. For second wave here pi by 2. For second wave this is pi. For second wave 0. For second wave pi by 2. For second wave 5 means 5. At that point 5 minus. For first wave 0. At this point phase angle for second wave is 180, but phase angle for first wave is 0, means 180 minus 0. Then phase difference is equal to pi radian. Pi radian. If the phase difference between right here, if phase difference that is pi, if the phase difference that is pi is equal to pi radian means 180 degree, then displacement of wave becomes 0. Displacement of resultant wave is 0. Resultant wave, that is y is equal to 0. See here, the resultant displacement of resultant wave is 0. ಎರಡು ವೇವ್ ನಡುಕ ಫೇಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎರಡು ವೇವ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವೇವ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 0. And here the phase difference, that is pi 2 minus pi 1, that is 0 degree. How come? Let us take for the first wave at this point the phase difference is 0. For second wave also phase difference here 0. Then 0 minus 0, that is there is no phase difference. If pi is equal to 0 degree between these two waves, then the displacement of resultant wave, the displacement of resultant wave. Here is the resultant wave, this is the resultant wave. Resultant wave, that is y is equal to plus 2a sin of omega t minus of kx. In the next class we have to study the mathematical representation of the displacement of this condition and that phase difference condition. You please understand what you mean by stationary waves or standing waves. And here the phase difference between first wave and second wave, if it is pi radian or 180 degree, then wave getting cancelled with each other. and here if the phase difference between first wave and second wave, that is pi radian, then those two waves they are getting cancelled with each other, then the resultant displacement of this wave is 0, means the resultant displacement is 0. And here in case if the phase difference between first wave and second wave is 0 degree, then after combining those two waves, the displacement of that stationary wave, that is y equal to plus 2a sine of omega t minus kx, getting, that is sine of plus 2a, the amplitude becomes, the resultant wave amplitude becomes double, amplitude becomes twice. In the next class we will study the mathematical representation of this condition, means 180 degree phase difference condition and 0 degree wave energy ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ದಿಂದ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ವೇವ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ 0 ಆಗ್ತದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗ್ತದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೀಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ದಿಸ್ ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು what do you mean by stationary wave? When two identical traveling waves they have combined, the wave getting cancelled, this is a result. This is our stationary wave. The wave, first wave and second wave, means the stationary displacement of the stationary wave becomes 0, and or else the displacement of stationary wave becomes a double. When it will become double, when the displacement becomes 0, that we can study in the next class by using mathematical representation. Thank you, and I will continue this one in the next class again, the same concept.